Namaste and welcome to our series on Talks with Solar Pioneers. I am Jyoti Prakash from Visol Renewable Energy Solutions, your green energy partner. On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, we pray that may God bless us all come out strong from these difficult times. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Devo Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Friends, wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं सदाधरापतं सदा विनाशिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्.
Well, coming back to the solar talks, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, during his independence speech, reinstated the centre's aim to establish a 7.5 gigawatt solar power park in Ladakh. And the idea is to make the Union territory a completely carbon neutral territory. प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देश के किसानों की आय को दुगना करने के लिए भी कई स्कीम्स चलाई हैं. इसमें से एक है कुसुम योजना, जिसके तहत किसान अपनी खाली पड़ी जमीन पर सोलर पैनल लगाकर अतिरिक्त कमाई कर सकते हैं. As per MERCAM, the IREDA, that is the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, they have planned to lend around 100 billion to the solar and the wind sector. As per the Bridge to India report, India is projected to reach the solar capacity of 82 gigawatt by the end of the year 2024. Commercial and industrial solar power plants have so far dominated the rooftop solar sector in India. Residential sector will start to pick up due to clearer policies and availability of better financing options is what the reports say. Friends, there have been so much of buzz about the solar sector, the solar power plant, and the idea of going solar in recent times. But some of us realized the advantages and the necessity of going solar way before the rest of us did and installed solar rooftop plants in their areas. We call them our solar pioneers, and in this series of talks with our solar pioneers, today we have with us Ms. Sonal Satelkar. Sonal ji, namaste, welcome to our show.
Namaste.
Sonal ji says that the purpose of our life is to learn, unlearn, and relearn and help others do the same. Sonal ji is a human resource consultant, a capability development specialist, a life coach. Sorry about that interruption. Yes, Sonal ji is a human resource consultant, a capability development specialist, a life coach, and a corporate trainer. She has a corporate experience of over 20 years in the areas of law, human resource, and business operations. Ms. Sonal is a faculty of law and human resource management across various institutes in Mumbai. She is also the trustee and managing secretary at Premier Section Mandal. Ma'am, it is a pleasure to have you today. We are very, very blessed that you have taken time from your busy schedule. But before going further, I would also like to mention the list of her degrees. They're a little long, so please pay attention. She is a Master in Human Resource Development Management from Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies. She has done her Bachelor of Law from Government Law College. She has done her Bachelor of Commerce from Chennai College. She is a certified DISC professional, level 1 and 2 ability and personality test, psychom assessment at work. She is also a coach with a certification from International Coach Federation approved institute. She has business excellency study based on Malcolm Badridge business excellence model. Also, she has a business scorecard based performance management systems. Well, that is a long list. Ma'am, talking about the solar power plant initiative that you have taken, I would like to begin. I'm so sorry, I missed a few other points. I have to say this. Sonalji has been a leadership coach with Collective Impact Partnership, which is a fellowship program for women socialpreneurs across Maharashtra, a project funded by Bill Gates and Melinda Gates. She also volunteers with NGO as IDF, such as IDF, Seva Sadanand Society, etc. So, ma'am, I'll begin with asking you what prompted you to go solar?
Uh, okay, so Jyoti, as you know, or as you have seen, most of our solar projects are in our education institutions.
Yes.
We have these education institutions in Mumbai, and space, it goes under the commercial space, and then the property tax for the space, the electricity for this place, and everything. And it becomes the financial viability. Sometimes, it becomes really not possible for us to run that. Now, what happens with, in particularly, I will speak with Gandhi Bal Mandir. Gandhi Bal Mandir is a government aided school, but we don't really get aids for all or grant for all such things like paying off our electricity bills and all of that. Okay. The students the ones who come to Gandhi Bal Mandir are all from the underprivileged society or class, and hence our fees, and it's a government aided school, so our fees are bare minimum, just very nominal. We were always thinking about this. How is it, or where is it that we can cut cost? That was primarily on our minds. And when we were doing all the evaluations and all, of course, it was always on our mind that electricity bills are exorbitant. So we were just wondering, what is it, or where is it that we can cut, cost, and we can make this thing. Again, being from the education sector, we also are constantly, we in the sense our principals are also constantly in the process of teaching, or adding value, or giving value addition to our students. So we said combining the two, the cost effect or the cost implication that is happening, that we are looking at the school, and also creating a social awareness amongst the students. Why not consider having a solar project in our school? So it will be a good blend of also cutting cost, as well as training our students or teaching our students to think about the environment and think about the social causes. So that's the reason why we started exploring about this solar project. That's how it all began.
Wow.
And then, of course, the rest is history. I think when we are talking, or during the course of our conversation, we can speak about that. But that's how the beginning happened. And of course, we have the chairman of our Premier Shikshan Mandal, as well as the trust that runs Kohinoor Business School, that is Kohinoor Education Trust, is the same. So our chairman, sir, CA Sunil Karve, he's a visionary. When our principals, Deepak Hedulkar sir, and the rest of them, when they put it across him, he was very happy, and he said, and he was very convinced, and he said that we have to do this immediately. And that's the reason how both our institutions are having a solar project on.
Superb. So it is the idea of blending technology, cost saving, sustainability, green energy, everything coming together, teaching children also. I mean, children see a power plant, we all talk about it, we all read about it in the books, but actually seeing it on their school's rooftop is, I'm sure, a completely different experience for them also, to make it a part of their life and take it ahead in the future also. Ma'am, can you tell us a little more about the power plants, the size and basic details about the power plants that have been installed?
So basically, when we started, when we had this idea, or when we thought about this, the first thing that came to our mind is, where are we going to bring the finance from? So luckily, we had Mr. Parab, who was the president of Ghattopar Rotary Club at that point of time, and he was in touch with our principals, and our principals just put this thought in front of him, and he was very kind enough to say that we as Rotary could help you with the initial cost of the project, and then we can see how to take it forward. So then we through this Rotary Club, or through Mr. Parab, we got in touch with you guys, that is VSOL. And I believe then the inspections happened. You came and you first examined the situation on the terrace. Where is it that we can install the project? How big, a plant can be installed? So I believe we had the capacity of installing 15
Yes,
um,
15 kilowatt.
kilowatts, yeah,
Kilo, yes.
project. But considering our requirement, and
Mhm.
since we are shut in the summer vacations for 2 months and we are shut in Diwali vacations and all of that, I think considering all of that, it was then decided that 10 kilowatts would be enough for us, at least to
Mhm.
start with. Otherwise, if we are generating more than that, that would be a waste. And we didn't want
Right.
wastage in any form.
Fair, fair. It's an
So
investment
we
after all.
decided that
Yes.
we will have a project of 10 kilowatts, and also the position or the place in which we have installed that, I think that was good enough to hold that capacity. So that's how we installed it over there. There was some cost that the school had to, or the trust had to bear. The rest of it was provided to us very kindly by Rotary Club, and we are really grateful to them, and we are very grateful to VSOL for this. And we installed it somewhere in the month of January.
Right.
And so currently we are seeing the lockdown and the school is not really on and all, but we are hopeful that this is going to really add us in saving a lot of cost and lot of energy that has to be developed unnaturally, because this is
Right.
a natural source of energy that we will be getting. So I think that's really going to be helpful for all of us, and as a
Very true. Very true. It will, ma'am. It will, ma'am. And at this point, I would like to say it was our pleasure to get associated with. Of course, Rotary has been doing a very commendable job. We have worked with them in other projects also. And from Visol, on behalf of Visol, I'd say, ठीक है, power plants तो हम सब जगह लगाते हैं, but it really makes us feel proud to be a part of project that wherein there's real contribution to the society, contributing to a school where underprivileged children are working. It was our pleasure to get associated and be a
Thank you
part of
so
this
much.
project. Well, we have a small video on the solar power plant that we have here. So can we have the video, please? So that was the small video that we had for the power plant at Gandhi Bal Mandir.
It makes
Taking ahead, yes, ma'am.
it makes me feel so good to see these photos of the school and that Solapar standing there.
Great. Ma'am, we also feel great. Again, putting a plant on schools, it really makes us feel proud. Okay, talking about the power plant, any challenges that you face while taking the decision to install a power plant in any of these institutions that you have?
The only challenge we had was finance, honestly.
Okay.
That was the only challenge that I think we faced.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the reason why it took us a little longer. Otherwise, I'm sure this plant would have been in our school 2 years back.
Okay.
But we're
Finance.
not really sure where the money will come from, and who is going to help us with the money.
Right.
And our principals were doing all the homework. Deepak Hedulkar sir, with whom you people have constantly interacted, he is a visionary, I should say. So he was, and under the able guidance of our Karve sir, they were constantly. And then there is Mr. Sudhir Saraskar, who has put in a lot of efforts in Kohinoor Business School. So these three men collectively were doing a lot of homework as to paisa kahan se aayega, and that was the major challenge that we had. because the premises are our own, so we didn't have any such problem that we have to take any permission from
Mhm.
it's not a rented premise or something like that. They're all our own, so we didn't have that problem. And space also is enough, and with a lot of sunlight and all of that, because that way they are more than 5-storied buildings, both of them.
Oh, yes, yes.
But finance was a challenge that we faced.
Actually, we talk to so many people, and more than 50 to 60% of the cases, people get stuck at the finance problem only. And I'd like to say at this point for all our listeners, all our viewers, that as of now, there have been a lot of policies changes that the government has made, and a lot of finance options are also available. There are investors who are willing to invest. Of course, associations like Rotary is doing a lot of work. There are other NGOs, other associations also. There are individual investors also who are willing to invest in solar power plant and look it as a way of investing and getting returns on it. So I hope more and more people get inspired and are able to handle the finance issue for their projects. Ma'am, any paperwork issue that you faced during these power plant installations?
Apart from signing your agreement, I don't remember doing any paperwork.
Okay.
I don't remember doing any paperwork. In fact, I used to ask my principals कि अरे बाबा इतना बड़ा चीज कर रहे हैं तो we'll be having to sign documents, because I'm not constantly in the school. So I used to always tell them that कुछ भी होगा, if I'm traveling, please send me the papers. कुछ भी करना नहीं है madam, उनकी तरफ से there will be an agreement that comes to us. We only have to sign that. I believe you people have done certain things on behalf of us, maybe with Adani.
Yes, ma'am. All the net metering permissions and paperwork, we
But
are
we
able
didn't
to.
really have to do anything.
I take it as a compliment, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, you better take it as a compliment, because it is a fact.
Okay. Any issue regarding the maintenance? How do you maintain the plant? Any expenses on that? Any overhead cost that is involved in maintaining the power plant?
So I saw the plant on the day of the inauguration. And looking at the plant, I was like, oh my God, who's going to clean this? Because we have this huge building, and the people who are cleaning the building are housekeeping people. I was really worried, how is it that they are going to really be able to maintain this thing? And I was told you don't need to do anything. You just need to clean the glass by pouring some water on it. And that's exactly what is continued in the school. And I believe in the rainy season, you don't even need to do that.
Right.
And if dust accumulates, also, I believe that the light or the generation of power could be hampered to a little extent. But beyond that, it will not really hamper the entire system or something like that. But yes, we are taking care that we are cleaning the glass panels on the solar, so as to give a good the correct kind of output.
Generation.
That's
Yes.
the only thing that we are doing, and for that we don't really require any overhead cost. Your engineers are coming in between and seeing the functioning of the
Yes.
and checking the meter and all of that. So we have not really incurred any cost so far.
Okay.
And it may be too early to say what is going to happen, but at least so far we are in safe hands.
Okay. That is again a compliment for us. So thank you, ma'am. Did you experience any change in your electricity bills benefits because of this plan, ma'am?
So Jyoti, we were able to get only one bill after we
Okay.
started this, because after that the country has gone into lockdown.
Lockdown.
As
Yes.
being a school, it's a complete
Correct.
down at the moment. But the first bill that was generated, we did see a good amount of fall into it. But I will really not be able to comment on that much, because when you do a study, you need to
Correct.
do it
Yeah.
for at least a good number of months, because currently we are also listening to a lot of electricity bills that are getting generated, which are on the higher side and all of that. So considering all that, we really don't know how this bill that we are seeing, how effective that is and how correct that is. But in that too, we have seen a drop. So I will not be able to comment as to how much percent exactly, but we are hopeful again that there will be a drop in the
Right.
electricity.
Ma'am, after the lockdown and everything normalizes, we will again check with you kitna paisa bacha hai, so that we are also
Maybe I will come back again and have a talk with you like
definitely, ma'am, most welcome. That will be our pleasure. Okay, how do you think this plant has contributed in terms of environment, in terms of social benefits?
Yes. So, like I said, first and foremost, we proudly tell our students today that look, you are studying in a school which has a solar power plant installed. So, that becomes a matter of pride for us and also a matter of pride for our students.
Right.
And our students at Gandhi Bal Mandir are of younger age, but not so young also that they cannot understand. These days, people in KG and first and second, that's in the primary section, itself are taught about the benefits of, green energy and all of that. So that also becomes one real. So we really feel proud that we are doing that. The school Gandhi Bal Mandir or Premier Shikshan Mandir, it belongs to the Kohinoor group.
Mhm.
You all know. Kohinoor has a hospital within the same premises, that is Kohinoor city. Both these institutions, that is Gandhi Bal Mandir and Kohinoor Business School, which has installed solar power, are in Kohinoor city. We also have a hospital, Kohinoor Hospital in Kohinoor city, which is also a LEED certified green hospital. And that has happened 12 years back. So the group has started taking this green energy initiatives, good, have thought about it good 15 years back, and we have started these initiatives. And it is really helping in the sense, like I said, developing of energy needs a lot of resources, water being one. To a
Correct.
good extent, we are all talking about in a span of 20 years or 30 years, we are going to be without water in the country. In that kind of a situation, again, in a city like Mumbai, solar sun is a thing that, if you don't make use of sun, you are a criminal. Then rather, he's there, he's telling you take me, and you're like, we don't need to use you, and we just shut everything and put on the AC and sit. It doesn't really make any sense. So from that perspective also, I felt, our visionaries of the school, our principals and all, we always felt that we should make use of this resource which is readily available to us, rather than wasting resources which are scarce. So I think, that way, we, after installing this solar power somewhere, solar plant somewhere, we have become instrumental in conversing some energy, some natural resources, and that gives us some amount of pride to say that yes, we are on the right track, or we are doing something for the society.
Definitely, ma'am. Thinking about green energy buildings, green energy certified buildings,
1
15.
minute, I'll shut the window because there's some Visarjan
Okay.
happening.
Okay.
Sorry, it being a Visarjan day today, there are some
Right.
processions that are going from below. Sorry.
I was just saying, talking about green energy certified building 15 years ago,
Yes.
like 1.5 decades ago, it is actually, I would say real visionaries, all of you are, that you thought about it. लोग तो बात भी नहीं करते थे 15 साल पहले.
That point of
Forget
time.
about, yes, definitely. Very, very commendable.
We used to call ourselves as Asia's first LEED certified hospital. At that point,
Superb.
it came up in 2008, 2009. So it's about 11 to 12 years, not exact 15. But
Mhm.
the thought process started was much before the hospital was actually constructed, because we started constructing the hospital taking into consideration the green aspects.
Superb. Really superb.
It's there in the mind.
Very, very. I am impressed.
And for a school like Gandhi Bal Mandir, which is a government aided school, 60 years old institution now, you should say.
Okay.
For us to have this kind of an initiative, it really gives us a substance of pride, to talk
Definitely, ma'am. I know very, very premier schools also do not have solar power plants. I mean, they talk big on technology, they teach big things to their children. But when it actually comes to implementation, very high profile schools also, you will find there's nothing called green building concept or rainwater or anything for that matter. So I mean, you should definitely be proud of you, and we are really proud to know you will be able to interact with you. Seriously. Ma'am, your message to people, आपने finance की बात की थी. You had a hurdle in getting the finance, but after the finance, you got the again. I would say that the plant is relatively new, so you might not be able to see the actual benefits because ROI does take some time. But still, as I said, a lot of people who want to go solar, they ask for they have various queries, they ask for the offers, but when it comes to investment, they get stuck.
Hmm.
Any comments from your end, any suggestions from your end to people who are finding finance as a hurdle and because of this not going solar?
So, what I would like to say to these people is that it is better late than never. I think they should have done this even earlier, because, like I said, the electricity bills that we pay for the school every month, it used to be so much, and it's like a recurring cost that we are doing.
Mhm.
If you wanted to save that, you have to start somewhere. And if you're not going to start, or if you're not going to shift to this mode of solar energy, you are perpetually going to keep paying the electricity bills.
Correct.
And anyway, so you are anyway spending, today, if it is not possible for you to do we were also thinking about, taking loans from, some places to install the solar, so that, okay, I know, I understand that loan comes with interest and all of that happens.
Right.
And it is not very easy to think about all of that. But there are institutions which are willing to help. Like Rotary was one which helped us. Rotary is doing very good job. So people,
Definitely.
particularly who are into this education sector and all of that, they should take the benefit of these institutes. Why that? Even for a residential building, I will say, if we have, because during this pandemic, every society, we know there are groups that are formed, WhatsApp group, and for about 8 to 15 days, all that was happening on our WhatsApp society WhatsApp group was the exorbitant bills from Adani, from Tata Power, from all those various things, and what is it that we should do about it. So this is something that is going to be recurring if we are not going to look at alternative source of energy. So even for residentials, I think, if the residents can think about it as one time cost and invest today, it is a good deal to do, rather than just keeping on paying electricity bills, which are going to increase and increase
Increase.
day by day. They're not going to
Very
do.
true.
So that is going to increase. So if there's a possibility of having this alternative source of energy, I would suggest that people should make use of, should, consider this as investment, or even look at various options who are willing to fund you for this kind of a noble cause, and treat it as a noble cause and do it. Is what, and what is the message that I will give? And the message clearly is, kal kare so aaj kare so abhi.
Say.
Because if we wouldn't have done this in Gandhi Bal Mandir, I'm sure I would still be signing checks of those 50,000 and 60,000 per month that come for the electricity, spending on that electricity bills that we have.
Seriously. And in fact, you are very, very correct about the inflated electricity bills that are coming. Even my bill is like 5 to 6 times of what I generally used to pay.
Yes,
I'm like,
yes.
इधर इतना कहाँ से आ गया?
I know.
Right.
And then everybody's talking, हमने तो AC भी नहीं on किया, हमने तो ये नहीं किया, हमने तो वो नहीं किया. But it is there, and whatever fight you do is later on. You have to pay it first.
You have to pay it first. Yeah. Solution. I think we all have a solution. You just mentioned instead of using things that are sparse, why not use the technology which is so easily available? Very wise words, ma'am, from your end. And of course, Kabir ji to कहते ही हैं काल करे सो आज कर आप आज करे सो अब. So, and I would again like to reiterate that today the policies have become very, very good for residential as well as especially the resident industries have been taking a good lead in getting a power plant. Residents are still a little behind to where they should be. A lot of policies the government is trying to bring in. A lot of finance options are available. So I would request people to rethink about it and go solar. And taking again the wise words of Sonal ma'am, use the energy which is readily available rather than which is very very sparsely available. The conventional energy sources that we have. I would say that was very, very wise and very visionary talks from Sonal ma'am, talking about green building, talking about solar plant. आज के नहीं 15 साल पहले की आप बात कर रहे हैं. So I would really say pioneers in true terms. So thank you, ma'am, for all the insights that you have shared, talking about all your initiatives, talking about people that you have been serving, people who are actually in need, जिनके लिए आप इतना काम कर रहे हैं. Again, we are very, very proud that we could contribute in a very small way to all the contributions that you are doing. So on that note, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for taking time out from your very, very busy schedule. And I would say, please, people, think about it. Take some, listen to words of wisdom from Sonal ma'am and go solar. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being here.